technically what you're saying here is that Ani vedodi vedodi li. You're saying that you know Hashem and He knows you. The reality of it is that throughout all of the year, with the exception of maybe when you go to the synagogue 3 or 4 times a year, if you're not religious, you come 3 or 4 times a year, you don't really know Dodi. You don't really know Hashem. You know Him 3 times a year. The rest of the year you don't know nothing. But you expect Him to treat you like Dodi Li. You expect Him to treat you like He knows you every day. You expect Him to treat you like He's not a stranger. So Hashem says, you want me to treat you like my son? You want me to treat you like I know you the whole year? Then treat my other children like you know them. The ones you don't know. The ones that are righteous but they're not your brother. The ones that are righteous but they're not your cousin. But you know that they're in need. Those are the ones you help. That's the tshuva. Because I sent them to you specifically for you to complete your tshuva. So the tshuva is, first is tshuva, which is to regret the sins we're making, commit to not doing it again, and improve ourselves. Second part is tefillah, to ask Hashem to accept this tshuva because we're really sincere. We're not just joking around. We're not saying, listen, I'm going to go to Yom Kippur, pray from morning to night, chatati, aviti, pashati, and then right after Yom Kippur, I'm going to the beach. The nude section, which is the same thing as the non-nude because no one wears any clothes. You can't do that. You can't say chatati, aviti, pashati, but then you're going to the casino on Shabbat. Can't do it. That's not sincere. That's making a joke out of Hashem. That, in reality, gets an extra punishment. Why does it get an extra punishment? For the chutzpah. You're telling Hashem, listen, I feel bad. He's crying, he's singing, I'm going to the beach. You're making a joke out of it. So, in order to do tshuva, we have to really, truly acknowledge, who are we in front of over here? Who are we in front of? We're in front of the Creator of the heaven and the earth.